a life-size doll, but you cannot play with me. I am one of one, and I am not one of them. And they can't sit with us. I'm kidding, you guys. Okay, so prepare with me for a life-size Barbie photo shoot. I am coming to you guys with a install tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and follow me here on YouTube for more beauty-related content. This is a honey blonde unit for my Barbie photo shoots. And she is cute. I'm going to do like a Marilyn Monroe bob, giving very much vintage Barbie. But today's vintage inspiration Barbie. Colored it honey blonde. As you can see, it's not 613. It is honey blonde. Number 27 to be exact. So we're going to get this install started. I'm terrified because it does not fit. Absolutely terrified. Yeah, we're gonna do this thing. If you haven't already, go ahead and click the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do shorts on the regular, but I'm coming back with content. And I'm getting active. A lot has happened. Life be lifing, but life's for everyone. We make the best out of it. We take the punches and we keep on going. And honey, when I tell you, I can take a lick. All right. My man come home in a little bit. I gotta get done because when he gets home, I can't do nothing. He wanna be up under me 24/7. What Meg say? My man, my man, my man, my man, my baby. Let's prep this wig, guys. We are going to color the lace. I am going to use the same makeup that I used on myself on the lace to make sure it looks more natural and blends in with my skin perfectly. So I have CoverGirl Queen collection. I bought these from the Dollar Tree and I use them for my wigs. Yeah, perfect for wigs. Might not use it for my face, but I will use it on my installs. So we're taking that and we are just gonna go inside of the wig and color the lace. I'm gonna get it in there good, but I'll kind of give y'all a gist of what I'm doing. So I'm holding it like this and I'm coloring the wig, the lace. I'm tinting it so it can, you know, blend better. hair in my face, but I curled it back for some strange reason. But I want all of this to, like, in probably maybe like 7 years now. And I'm getting back to me, you guys. I'm doing things that I love to do. I love working with creative photographers that could turn something into nothing, honey. And this should be fun. I want to clean it up in a little bit. So now we are going to go in and go ahead and lay this down on that glue. I only wanted one layer. I am only wearing this for a short period of time. Look, I'm changing my hair for Thanksgiving. Okay, so now everything is secure, not invisible. Okay, guys, your girl is done with those finishing touches, and if I do say so myself, the install came out perfectly. I did purchase this wig off of Amazon. It is a deep wave wig that I've blown out and curled with HD lace. I absolutely love this install. I did color this 613 wig in the color of honey blonde, so it's definitely giving Barbie. Black Barbie in the city to confiscate the money. Yeah. If y'all caught that, y'all know what I'm singing. But yeah, I absolutely love this install. It's very much so tea. Yes, ice me out. I love it so much. I can't wait to show you guys the photos from my photo shoot. They will be posted at the end of this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow for more beauty related content.